Hi, my name is Karen Beers, and along with my husband Dean, we are Associates in Forensic Investigations. This is our updated introductory course on PIs and fatal and serious bodily injury cases. This is for the new and experienced investigator. This is an introduction to the death investigations for PIs series and Certified Forensic Death Investigator CFDI program. We will cover general death and serious bodily injury concepts, including the importance of private investigators in death and serious bodily injury cases, and why these investigations bring more opportunities in civil, criminal, probate, and other cases for attorneys, and much more. This is a basic introduction into the concepts of the official investigation of death, such as by a coroner or medical examiner's office, and the role of the private investigator in fatal and non-fatal events, death or serious bodily injury, in criminal defense or civil litigation. What we will cover in this course, and be sure to have your PDF handout ready to follow and take notes for the quizzes and exam. Role of PIs in death and SBI or serious bodily injury investigations. Protocols in death and SBI investigations. Cause and manner of deaths. And upon completion, a special offer for the full course. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy this new course from us.
When should you as a private investigator be consulted or possibly seek a separate expert consultation on a case? This is important. So when the crime or the wrongdoing, like a civil wrongful death, involves any kind of violent death or serious bodily injury, any sudden or unexpected death or SBI, and then you have unattended death. So the first thing we need to do is analyze the official investigation. And you need to understand what's involved in that, because it's not the same as most investigations when it's specifically we talk about the coroner medical examiner's office. But we also need to talk about the law enforcement investigation. Maybe OSHA got involved, maybe NTA, NTSB, National Transportation Safety Board, such as with maybe an aircraft or train crash, fatalities. You need to understand what the body assessment is. So briefly, this includes lividity, which is the settling of the blood at the lowest point of gravity. So if the person is laying down when they're deceased, the blood will go to the lower parts of their full supine body, laying on their back. If they're face down or prone, you'll see that along the front. If they're sitting, you'll see it at different points depending, but you won't see lividity at points of pressure. So if they're sitting on a seat, you won't see that lividity in their buttocks. So it's important to understand the manners of death, as I mentioned way earlier in this chapter, in this course. There's 5 basic manners of death. And they might vary to state as far as a couple of them, but we have natural, accident, suicide, and homicide. And then we have undetermined. The undetermined might be phrased a little bit differently in other states, but that's where it is at. The manner of death is the medical mode or classification of the death. It's not the legal classification. And that's why I mentioned that earlier in the difference between medical, legal components of the investigation and definitions. So again, this is the type of death based on the preponderance of all the evidence. So we have a special offer for you, having taken this PIs and fatal and serious bodily injury introductory course. If you've learned more than you expected to, and you're ready to take the next step, we suggest you take our full course, Death and Serious Bodily Injury Investigations for PIs, which is a certificate course. This was part of the first chapter of that course. The full course is about 8 hours of webinar instruction, has one of our books available, and you can get more information about this and our other courses by going to this website, and downloading the interactive digital catalog. You can also go directly to investigativecourses.com. And as a bonus for taking this course, we will send you a $75 discount code from the full course if you email us at associates@investigativecourses.com and include the certificate from this course with it so that we can verify. That $75 represents a refund of this course as well as a 15% discount from the full course. So you're more than welcome to take advantage of that, and we hope you do. Look forward to hearing from you. So, what will you get in the full course of death and serious bodily injury investigations for PIs? There's 6 chapters. Understanding death and serious bodily investigations, which is more expanded from what you've just taken here. So you'll have some duplicate, but you'll have more expanded. Then we have understanding evidence, understanding medical records, understanding blunt and sharp force trauma, and that's followed with understanding forensic autopsies. And then we have understanding autopsy reports. As I mentioned in this mini course, introductory course, those are important things to know. We'll talk about those a lot more. And also, that full course is the prerequisite to our Certified Forensic Death Investigator program, which is specifically for criminal defense investigators, but also is used in other aspects of litigation investigation. And you can get information at certifiedforensicdeathinvestigator.com, or again, contact us for any details. So we appreciate you being here and look forward to seeing you on our next course. That wraps up this course, and on behalf of Karen and myself, thank you very much for taking our courses. You can find more of our courses right here on this platform under your student profile, and you can also supplement your courses with any of our books. We have them at www.privateinvestigations.org. I have that link right here on the screen for you. You can go there and find out more about some of the resources we use and make available or have found. Make yourself easier, as well as ordering our books. Our books are discounted, and now you can buy them on Amazon, plus you get them direct from us, customized to you. Before I go, again, on behalf of Karen and myself, thank you very much. Here is our contact information, as well as things that we do in the private investigator expert consultation sector outside of our courses and books. So feel free to look us up, reach out to us if we can help you in any way. We certainly appreciate it. Again, thank you very much for taking your courses, and find more on this platform. So if you really like this course, we recommend looking into our other courses on this platform, including this one here. And don't forget, you can always find our digital interactive catalog at this web address. Thanks, and see you at the next course.